I call myself a wise dealer for the people.
Check this out.
Just put money aside, and every month we ask the school what do you need, and we go buy the school what they need. That's it. And I thank all of you for bringing out school supplies tonight. It was something really special to me to see we filled up the back of this Ram truck. We got the big check there. Mike, why don't you pick that big check up? DJ Hopper Boy is going to turn it over from here. I thank everybody for coming out, supporting us, supporting Peter's special project. So thank you, everybody. Enjoy it. I'm out of the loop on this one. 68 Dodge Dart, everybody. Beautiful vehicle. I was checking it out earlier. A lot of work put into that car. Thanks for coming out tonight. How about this one? Best Hyundai. It was number 18, tag number 54. What's your name, buddy?
Jared.
Jared? Tell us a little bit about your car.
2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Carbon fiber hood, trunk, bar stone, ES2 rims.
Awesome.
Mostly cosmetic.
Mostly cosmetic, but I'll tell you right now, you won, and you did a great job. Tag number 9, number 16, come on down. Tim, which one's your Jeep? Tell us about it.
The 2014 JK Jeep. It's a metal flip all the way around.
Right on. That's domestic. Number 24, tag number 165, come on down. Tell us about the vehicle.
The 2012 Challenger Yellow Jacket with the 426 Hemi supercharged. Carbon fiber everything.
Yeah, I think you just got it at a shop recently too, didn't you?
Yeah, just got it back from Rad Motorsport.
Yeah, that's an awesome car. Definitely deserves to win. Let's take a picture. And let's give all the employees who helped put this thing together a round of applause, because it takes about 6 months of work to put this thing together. All right? Thank you, everybody who did this. And you guys know who you are out there. Thank you.